If you want to learn whether you should use TikTok for business or not, then keep on watching. Hey there, my name is Anna and I talk all about social media, personal branding, and online businesses every week. So back in December, I opened my first TikTok account, and honestly, I just wanted to open it for fun. I didn't actually think that you could promote your brand on this platform. But then some of my friends started telling me how they were getting clients from TikTok and making more money in their businesses. So I definitely started looking into this. Gary Vee has been saying it for years. Use TikTok for business. TikTok used to be called Musical.ly back in the day, and Gary Vee used to talk about this platform all the time. You used to see these young teenagers doing all these funny dances, and nowadays it's the same thing. Last year when TikTok launched, you could see that the same trend was happening. Almost every user is doing TikTok dances, and they're going viral really fast. So I took the leap and I decided to start doing the same TikTok dances, and I started getting so many views in every single video, and it was very addictive. But the main problem was that because I am a brand that's focused on business, I wasn't getting my ideal clients. I have my Instagram and my YouTube account connected to TikTok, and all the people and followers that I was getting to those platforms from TikTok were not interested at all in my services. So for a while, I decided to not pay too much attention to TikTok up until a few months ago, when I decided that I actually wanted to give it a try with my business, because I started seeing other brands actually getting clients from TikTok and only posting valuable content. So I thought, if they can do it, then I can do it too. The way that I'm doing this is by repurposing my content from other platforms to TikTok. For example, I do a weekly live training on my Facebook group, and what I did in order to repurpose it to TikTok is that I cut the video into short clips and I started posting them as little trainings on TikTok. And I decided to do something called a series, where I post the entire video in short clips and then they have to watch different videos in order to continue the sequence. I also started doing tutorials, and for me these have been the best ones. I have been ranking really high in every single hashtag that I have used. My first tutorial video had over 40,000 views in less than a week. I did another video that was more lifestyle oriented, and obviously it caught a lot of attention, and now it has over 60,000 views. Now, I currently have less than 10,000 followers on TikTok, but every single day I keep getting more and more followers in my other platforms because of the followers that I get on TikTok. Also, every time that I post valuable content, I get hundreds of people telling me that they want more information about what I do. Now, here's the only catch that I see so far with TikTok. If someone wants more information and you want to send them a private message, you cannot do this unless they follow you. So this makes it very hard for communication to happen within TikTok. The good thing is that they added a new feature where you can add a clickable link on your bio so people can visit your website or whatever you're trying to show them. Whether you have a good funnel in place or not, then that's on you, but now we have a great opportunity to bring more prospects to our business. Here's the two things that I love about TikTok. The first one is the reach. The reach is amazing on TikTok. I've been able to rank my videos in great hashtags very high because I just decide to use them, and because there's not a lot of competition. The more watch time that I have on my videos, the higher the chances I'm going to have to get my video be seen by more and more people, because that's the way that the TikTok algorithm works. They have something called the For You page. So the way that this works is that when you like a video, or when you spend a lot of time watching a specific video, they're gonna keep showing you more and more videos related to that same video. So the possibility for you to get a big reach and visibility in this platform is huge. The second thing that I love about TikTok is how you can do TikTok lives without a time limit. So you know that, for example, on Instagram you can only do a live for 1 hour. When it comes to TikTok, you can do it for as long as you want. And also, TikTok rewards the people who do TikTok lives, and they show their lives to more and more people. I personally feel like it's still too early to tell the future of TikTok, but I do recognize that if they keep improving the way they have, then more business accounts are going to be moving to this platform and using the other platforms a little bit less. If you're not currently using TikTok, then I fear that you might get left behind. This is the opportunity for you to get on a platform that is just starting out and that is giving you a huge opportunity for you to get more exposure to your business. So take advantage of it while you can. Now, I'm still in the experimental phase. I'm definitely not a TikTok expert yet, but I love sharing with you all the results that I have been getting. So far, I see a lot of exposure, way more followers than I had before. I see my targeted audience, and I also see a lot of people inquiring about my services. Now, if you want to keep learning more about TikTok or any other social media platforms to promote your business, then make sure you join the Digital Influencers Network Facebook group. It's a free community that I created for people like you to connect with other individuals who are going through the same journey. If you want to become part of it, I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. If you got any value from this video, please just give it a thumbs up so the YouTube algorithm can show it to more people. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell button because I'm going to be doing a video comparing TikTok to Instagram, and I'm sure that you don't want to miss it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.